Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to draw this vertical stab, this horizontal stab, and the wheels for that. And that's going to be pretty much the end of this series on this glider. Show you how to do the windows also. In my last video, I was going to show you guys how to do that, but Fusion crashed on me, and so I decided to make another video and go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, remember, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like it, and comment. Okay, so I'm going to turn these off. The wing, vertical stab, and the horizontal. Turn the canvases on. Now we see this here. Now to draw this, I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. Go ahead and turn this fuselage off also. I'm going to create a line. Just imagine the line, this extending down into the fuselage here. And here. Go to the top here, view, and take a look. And that looks all right. And finish sketch. Turn sketches back on. Now I'm going to do construction and a plane at an angle. And I'm going to use this line here. Should be 0 degrees, and it is. There we go. Now I want to draw on this plane here. And I have a line under that which I want to turn off. Actually, 2 lines. This line and this line I want to turn off. So come up here to sketch. Okay, we turn that line off. And I want to turn this one off too. Here is the template that I'm going to use for the top of this. Which is pretty much on here already. So I'm going to come up here to fit point spline. Letter P for project this line. And I want to mirror this line. This is the mirror line, and click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now I want to draw on this plane or create a sketch on this plane. And I want to project this point, this point. Click OK. Now use the line command here to about right here. And I'm going to use a fit point spline. And finish sketch. Come up here and use the sweep. This plane. I'll change this to path and guide rail. And this to full extents. This is the path. And this is the guide rail. And click OK. Turn the fuselage on. OK. That's what we have. Now turn the fuselage back off. I want to draw on this plane up here. Letter P for project. So I want to project this onto the plane. Click OK. L for line. And I have two halves here. Finish sketch. All right. Now I want to draw on this plane again or create a sketch on this plane. Click that. Create sketch. Letter P for project. Project this. Click OK. Fit point spline. Line command. And finish sketch. Come over here to create, and this time we want to use a loft. Select this plane profile, this, and this, and click OK. And that's a vertical stab. And over here, go ahead and save your file. Now with this here, body 14, since I already have the vertical stab already drawn or modeled in here already, I was showing you guys how to do this. I'm just going to label this vertical number 2. Now we're going to do, let me turn this off because I don't need it right now. Going to do the horizontal stab. And this line here, turn it off in the sketches. I want to create a sketch on this plane. A line. Finish sketch. Look at this from the top. This should come back there, and this goes back just a little. Okay, I want to create a sketch on this plane here. And this is the template for the horizontal stab. P for project this line onto the plane. Now we have that as defined sketch. Fit point spline again. Finish sketch. Construct plane at an angle. This is the line 0 degrees. Click OK. Now I want to sketch on this plane. Letter P for project. Project this line here. L for line. And finish sketch. Come up to create, and when we want to use a sweep, this profile, path, guide rail, and click OK. I want to sketch on this profile here. Next, doing the tip of this. Letter P for project. I want to project this line here. Actually, not cancel that. to project this here. Click OK. L for line here, here, and we have our two hemispheres. Finish sketch. Construct plane at angle. This line here, 0, click OK. Now we want to sketch on this plane here. Create sketch. Fit point spline. Align from here, here. Okay. Let's go down a little more. Letter P for project this line. Click OK. Finish sketch. Come up to create. And we're going to use the sweep command. This plane, our profile. Cancel, I mean use a loft, not a sweep. My mistake. And this here. So we got 1, 2, and 3. And click OK. And that's how you do the vertical stab and the horizontal stab. Change this to horizontal stab. And change the appearance on these. And turn the canvases off. And here's what we have. Now to model these wheels, they're pretty simple to do here. We want to create a sketch on this plane here. Center diameter wheel. We turn the canvases back on first. Okay. This, and then you just have to imagine this wheel being inside of here and finding the center point of it. And do the same thing for the back one. Turn this off. Finish sketch. Extrude this. And we want this over here to be symmetric. And that's 10, looks maybe about 15. Okay, it's 15. Click OK. There's one wheel. Then the back one, we do the same thing. Extrude, E for extrude. This. Symmetric. Click OK. Now we have our two wheels. Appearance. Oops. Accidentally put that on the wrong body. All right. Now, right here is not all the way down in the fuselage. I just noticed that. And to correct that, what you can do, we turn these bodies off. The fuselage. E for extrude. Extrude this 5 millimeters. There. Now that close that up. Okay. I did before, just extrude this. turn the canvases back on so I can see that, how thick that wheel should be. And okay, that looks about right. And click OK. Okay. Let me turn the wings back on. And mirror this. Create. Mirror this. Mirror plane is this. And click OK. Turn the sketches off. All right, and there we have our glider. All right, that's going to do it for this series on this glider. And again, apologize for not finishing it up in the last video. And once again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also like and comment on this video. Also, I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. And the links are be down in the description. So that's it, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.